Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juan. This is the air conditioning guy. And too many times I've been asked, how do I make this duct strap? So here it is. Very short video explaining exactly how I make this duct strap. This is how you do a duct strap knot. You take about this much strap and you just bend it once, bend it twice, slide it over. There's just a little bit of an edge sticking out right here, so that when you fold this around, there's enough room for the strap to go through here. Okay, so you fold this down. Now it looks like this. And now you take the other end, you slide it through. Okay, now you can strap whatever it is you want. You need to make it tighter, make it looser, whatever you want. And if it's gonna hold something heavy, then you put a screw through here, or you can just smash these with your lineman pliers or any kind of pliers. You can just smash it right here and smash it right here, and that's it. You're golden. Hope that helps. See you guys on the next one.